If you work in a facility, you work with liquids. And if you work with liquids, you're going to have problems. It happens. Forklifts knock over drums. Machines leak. Transporters drip. So, whether you need to clean up a dangerous chemical spill or eliminate a slip and fall hazard, whatever problem your facility is facing, SpillTech has the smart spill solution.
Safety of employees, clients, and visitors is always the #1 goal of any facility. Keeping everyone clear of hazardous and potentially unsafe areas is why we created our caution mat. These mats are designed with a high visibility color, along with safety messages and symbols that stand out on shop floors, alerting anyone to potential safety hazards and work in progress. And it doesn't just look great, it works great too. Caution Mat's universal absorbency helps keep floors dry by absorbing various leaks, spills, and overspray, while the abrasion-resistant top layer gives pads strength for everyday cleanup jobs.
Did you know slips, trips, and falls are the second most common cause of lost workday injuries in general industry? SpillTech's Floor Grabber High Traffic Mat is tested and certified by the National Floor Safety Institute as a high traction surface, which can reduce slip and fall claims by as much as 90% when used as part of a floor safety program. With adhesive backing, they stick tight and lay flat to the floor, right where you want it. No slipping, no bunching, with plenty of absorbency, soaking up leaks, drips, and spills around machinery. They can be cut to fit any area in your facility. Floor grabber mats also absorb moisture and capture dirts tracked in by employees walking from one area to another. And these floor grabber mats pull up easily when it's time for replacement.
Prevention is the best weapon in keeping facilities safe and clean, but we all know accidents happen no matter how hard you try to avoid them. And when they do, a quick response with the right tools is essential. SpillTech has a spill kit for any size and type of spill, anywhere. Every spill kit will contain a variety of SpillTech sorbents covering everything you need to contain and clean up any spill. These spill kits should be part of any SPCC plan. And with the range of kits, from fuel islands to forklifts and more, you can make sure you have the right kit for your application, or we can even customize a spill kit for your specific need. And keep in mind, once the kit is used, we have refills available to stock your kit quickly and easily.
No facility is problem-free, but with these products and more, you can be prepared to keep your facilities clean and compliant, and your employees safe. SpillTech, smart spill solutions.